Hey guys, and welcome to, whoo, that's a horn. Yep, we're in New York City. I am so excited to bring you this video because this has been something I've been wanting to do forever. This one's about stock footage, and more importantly, it's about how you can use stock footage in your projects, but on the other end, what you can do to make your own stock footage. For the past year, I've been using Storyblocks as my main stock footage site to download footage that I can use in my project. And if you don't know what Storyblocks are, they are a stock footage site where you can browse thousands upon thousands of footage and clips to download and use in your project. For example, if you don't have a drone and you went to Hawaii and you want some drone clips, then you can go to Storyblocks and download all of the drone clips from Hawaii and use them in your project. That's the best thing about it, is I'm always downloading different clips to practice, because that's the biggest thing in our field and line of work, is that we are constantly trying to better ourselves, and what better way to practice than to use someone else's footage. So I had a comment, I think it was last week, on my channel where this guy was like, hey, have you ever thought about uploading your footage to a stock site or something like that so we can use this as practice? And I was thinking about it. I was like, there has to be a way that I could do this. And fortunately enough, Storyblocks reached out to me, and it was in perfect time, because I was like, I literally just had this question the other day. I travel a lot, and I'm gonna paint the scenario real quick. When I travel, I shoot all this great footage, and I only use it once. I only use it for the video that I make for my YouTube channel, and occasionally I'll use some of those snippets for my YouTube tutorials. Since I travel so much to all these different locations, what can I do with that footage? Do I just sit on it, and do I not use it ever again? And I was talking to Storyblocks, and we came up with a question. What should you do with all of your footage that you take? If you go to these different places, or even just your backyard, and you shoot something that you think someone else would want to download or have or potentially use in a project, you can sell that as stock footage. So Storyblocks and I have partnered up to bring you today's video, and it's pretty cool. I'm really excited to start this journey as a stock videographer. The simple answer is, if you have a camera, you should definitely be creating some stock footage wherever you go, because it doesn't take any extra time. You just use the footage that you already have, cut it up in a nice way, and upload it to a stock footage site such as Storyblocks. I'm really excited for a couple reasons. One, I'll be helping someone else out there in the world who downloads this video into their own projects. At the same time, I may be making some passive income along the way, so that's super exciting.
Woe is me! Woe is me! Yes!
I have no idea what's going on. Long story short, Storyblocks isn't just limited to stock footage. They have After Effects templates, images, audio, text overlays, lower third stuff as well. So you should just browse their library and pick the package that's gonna work best for you. As a user for over a year now, I can highly vouch for Storyblocks, and I love that their library is constantly growing, including the footage that I just took from Hawaii, as well as the footage I'm about to take in New York City. So definitely be sure to check out Storyblocks using the link down below. But I wanna hear your thoughts. Have you ever thought about using stock footage or using your own footage to make some passive income on the side? It's a thought. So all you have to do to start creating your own stock footage is to click the link in the description down below, which is the Storyblocks contributor portal, and it'll take you to this site. You can create a free account, and then once you create that account, all you have to do is select the media that you want to upload. Once it's uploaded, you'll be able to set your tags and keywords so it's easier to find. It will typically take about 3 weeks for Storyblocks to approve your stock footage. But as always, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please let me know down in the comments below. Hit that like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing, because I'm always going to be making new stuff in the future. I'll see you next time.